Hi, students. It's good to see you. Welcome to week 5, and this is Monday of week 5. I wanted to do two things. I want to explain what we're going to do today, and then what you all told me about how our class is going last week. So, first of all, I know I had some problems with the quiz last Friday. I did not open up the quiz, and so many of you were asking me about that and saying, please open up. I opened it up now. It's still open. So please go back and take the quiz. Hey, all of the answers are in your notes. So before you do the quiz, you should make sure that you did notes on the language and you did notes on Hinduism, 2C notes on Hinduism and one on language. I am expecting you to use the notes on the quiz. And that might mean that you need to make your iPad so that there's two screens side by side with the notes from Notability or a picture of the notes and the quiz. But I, on purpose, made the questions all from the notes. And I tell you on the quiz where to look on the notes. So we're trying to practice going back to the notes to look. I need you to get 80% of it right. And so some people got all the questions right. Some people need to go back and try it again. So that's our main job today, is to go back and to do the quiz. Also, I wanted to give you the results of the survey from last week. So thank you for telling me your opinion about how our class is going. We can see on this pie chart, this is the results of this question. How is the work in social studies going? So red means just right. So 63% people said it was just right. One person, actually two people, said there's not enough work. So maybe you want some extra work. And then 5 people said it was too much work. So thank you for telling me that. And that gives me the general sense that what we're doing is good, maybe sometimes a little too much. And then also I can think about how to challenge people who want to learn a little bit more. This survey question was really great for me. So 19 of you answered, and 9 people said they like the videos that I do. 5 people said they like to read texts. Another 5 said they like to listen to me read the text, so I will continue doing that. 10 of you were okay with C notes. And then a lot of you liked the picture activity. So that was really good for me to know. Maybe we'll do something like that. Maybe this week we can do something like that. And then this was really helpful. How should we have assessments? So 12 of you are okay with quizzes and tests. 6 of you would like to try a project. And then 2 people said you'd like to record yourself speaking. And you're the people who inspired me to try the Flipgrid for the highs and lows. Now, I know the Flipgrid wasn't perfect, but I think now that we've done it once, it'll be easier next time. And so I'm planning to do the Flipgrid for the highs and lows this week. So I'm glad we got doing that. For me, it was really nice to see each other on the Flipgrid. And then how are you feeling about India? So about 50% of you said it's okay. 4 of you said I want to learn more about it. 4 said I don't really care. And then 2 people said that they're ready to learn about something new. So my plan is that this week we'll finish learning about India, and then we'll start something new in May. And I haven't quite decided what that new thing is. So if you have ideas, you should tell me. Hey, I was talking about the Flipgrid. Let's go to our course. I want to show for both classes the awesome work that was in the Flipgrid. So if you didn't do the Flipgrid, what I'm talking about is the highs and lows from Friday. You're invited to do it. It's kind of fun. Okay, get in. And like I said, now that you've done it once, it'll probably be easier for you to do it again. So in second hour, we had a lot of people who were able to do it. Biswadeep, Aryam, Rohan, and Palicha. Please add yours to this if you didn't do it. And then also for, it's just so fun to see everyone. Also for third hour, please do it if you haven't done it. So thank you, and let's have a good start to the week.